My room is a zoo. Words by Jerry Ruth. Pictures by Simona Cicerelli. My room is a zoo. When it's time to go to sleep, I put my toys away. I climb in bed and close my eyes and hear my penguins say, "It's too hot in here." "Shh," I whisper. No more talk. But cow begins to moo. Then crocodile wants a drink and lizard wants one too. And before you know it, my room becomes a zoo. Armadillo takes my pillow. Black bear hogs the sheets. Cougar roars inside the closet. Dormouse goes squeak, squeak. Emu wants to have a race, and Ferret hides my toys. Glowworm won't turn off his light, and Hedgehog just makes noise. Ibis beaks a drum, boom, boom, while Junco jumps a jig. Kingfisher zips around my room, and Lark just sings and sings. Manatee floods the bathroom as he splashes in the tub, while Narwhal takes my toothbrush and gives his tooth a scrub. Now Owl wants the lights turned off, but Possum wants them on. Quetzal coos and fans his feathers, and Rabbit thumps the ground. Sea Lion barks and spins a ball, while Tree Frog climbs my chest. Umbrella Bird puffs out his throat, and Vulture builds a nest. Walrus turns his flippers and flaps across my floor, while X-ray Tetra swims in circles and Yak begins to roar. Is Zebra here? Where did he go? I hear a yip and bark, and when I look beneath my bed, I find him in the dark. Okay, enough, I tell my toys. That's altogether too much noise. Playtime's over. Playtime's done. Now back to bed. You've had your fun. I tell my toys one last good night and kiss each on the cheek, then cuddle up with Bear and Mouse and say, "Now please let's sleep." The end.